Do you ever find yourself buying the same outfits in bulk or just wearing something that's super comfortable but you don't really know how to pair it correctly and it kind of just comes off as you looking messy or just wearing the same thing over and over again and you don't really know how to become more fashionable and you're sitting there going, what do I do? I don't know if I'm ready to get out of my comfort zone, but I do need to start dressing better and I'm not sure how to do that. Hi, my name is Ashley and in today's video I'm going to be giving you 5 shopping tips for beginners to help you step out of your comfort zone and start to dress a little bit more fashionable. Tip number 1. Don't dismiss the 2-for-1 deal. I know so many people do, but if you are someone who likes to buy the same outfits in bulk, then really the 2-for-1 deal is your best friend. I understand that it can feel like it's more expensive because instead of being $20, it ends up being $30. But sometimes it's better to actually go for it. If you, for example, find a t-shirt that you really love and it's in multiple different colors and you know you're going to wear it all the time because it's your favorite kind of t-shirt, then yes, buy as many as you can because you know you're going to wear them and you're going to get a lot out of them. Tip number 2, don't be afraid to mix it up and stand out. What I mean is, I understand that it can be kind of scary to put yourself out there and wear something that you wouldn't normally wear. For example, if you start wearing crop tops, I know it can be so scary to start wearing more cropped clothing, and I can relate to this. When I first started buying more cropped clothing, I thought I had to pair it with high-waisted jeans or high-waisted skirts just so there wasn't too much of my belly showing because I was a little bit insecure, and that's totally okay. I just worked myself up to it. I started with t-shirts that were slightly cropped, then I moved on to singlets, and they just started getting higher and higher. The more confident you feel in your own skin, the more comfortable you'll feel about mixing things up, wearing more cropped clothing or wearing skirts or dresses that you normally wouldn't wear because of how you feel in them. It's all about body positivity and confidence and just having the confidence to really put yourself out there, which I know can be scary. Whether you are a tomboy who is afraid to start dressing more feminine, or you are a girly girl but you're afraid to wear cropped clothing, just remember I started with a t-shirt and I started buying t-shirts that were slightly cropped and worked my way up to singlets and more crop top style clothing. And I never go above this height right here because of how I feel in it, and I often wear high-waisted jeans or high-waisted skirts still with the clothing that is more cropped because of how I feel in it, and that's totally okay. Find your comfort zone, push yourself out of your comfort zone, but don't push too hard until you're ready. Tip number 3, don't be afraid to add accessories. When it comes to whether or not you're a tomboy or a girly girl, it doesn't matter. Just start out really small. Instead of wearing very cropped clothing or really nice dresses with really fancy earrings that are like hoops or danglies with a bunch of necklaces and bracelets and rings, just be really simple. Just add a plain necklace to your really plain outfit. I'm just wearing 3/4 jeans with a plain t-shirt and just a little necklace. I do have 2 piercings, but as you can see, I just have in studs. So it's all about what you are comfortable in and just adding a little bit of an accessory to your outfit, whether that's just a plain simple A necklace like I have or whatever letter your name is, or something just really simple. I only really wear 1 necklace at a time. I only ever wear studs really because I can't really get them out, so I rely on other people to help me. But yeah, you can wear danglies, but it's all about what you feel comfortable in and when you're ready to take that next step. But definitely trying to just wear a plain simple necklace will just kind of show people that you're trying without really having to do too much work, and it can just make your outfit look that much better. Tip number 4, don't be afraid to mix and match different outfits and different colors. I know it's really cool to wear all one color. I do that when I go to the gym, but I still add in a different color when it comes to my shoes or things like that. So don't be afraid to change up your different outfits, like pairing a t-shirt over the top of a high-waisted skirt. It looks kind of weird when you think about it, but if you tuck it in, it can become super stylish with a pair of combat boots. So don't be afraid to mix and match, whether, like I said, it's a skirt with a t-shirt tucked in and some sort of like combat boots or short boots or something. That can look really cool. Or just, you know, changing it up, instead of just wearing a hoodie with jeans or a t-shirt with jeans, try wearing something a little bit different. If you're a guy, instead of wearing a nice hoodie with jeans or t-shirt and jeans, try wearing a really nice jacket over a shirt or a shirt over a t-shirt. That can just add some extra flair, extra style to your already existing outfit and just kind of show that you're trying a little bit more. It's okay to be fashionable whether you're a girl or a guy, and it's totally okay to mix and match different outfits and different styles. And even if you don't know if it's going to look good on you, just take a risk and try it out, because you might look really cool. So I understand the fear, because if you wear something that is completely different from what you normally wear, or you mix and match something that you're worried isn't going to go together, just try it out. You might be surprised. And finally, tip number 5, just have fun mixing and matching different outfits, trying out new styles, getting really out of your comfort zone, whether that's something really small which you start out with and then grow into something really big and really different is up to you. But don't be afraid to start adding new pieces to your wardrobe that you wouldn't normally wear, because you might be surprised how it affects you. Like if you're very shy and you try wearing something that kind of gives you more confidence, that is really great and you should continue to do that. So it's all about just finding where the line of your comfort zone is and just pushing the boundaries a little bit until you start wearing things that are a little bit more out there, but still within your main style and your main comfort zone. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, then don't forget to smash the big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends if you'd like to, and let me know in the comment section down below, have you tried this out? Have you tried mixing and matching different outfits or taking a step out of your comfort zone, and how did it work out for you? And don't forget to also subscribe and ring the bell to be notified every time I upload new videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!